Okay, so in this video we are going to be teaching how to insert records into a MySQL table. So if you want to insert a record into a MySQL table, this is the syntax you need to write. You write, in this instance, we want to insert a record into the student table which we created in the last tutorial. Now, the student table has the following columns: name, age, and email. So if you want to insert records into that particular table, this is how you do it. You type insert into. You write the name of the table you want to insert into. Here it's student. Then you call the columns you want to insert the values into. In this case is name, age, and email. So once you've called the columns inside the bracket, you now say values. You now call the values you want to insert into those different columns. So in this case is we want to insert a name, Alice Smith. Alice Smith. Okay, let me take this down. Alice Smith is the name. We also want to insert an age of 28 and an email address of alicesmith@gmail.com. So this is how you get to insert a record into a table. You call the insert into the particular table in which you want to insert the record into, the values, the columns you want to insert the records to, then you call values. You now call the values you want to insert into those different records. Alright, so let's run the query. Alright, so it has, from the report down here, we can see that it has inserted that particular record into the table. So if we want to confirm it, we can call the select asterisk from students. So if we call this query, you will see that that particular record we just inserted has been inserted into our database. Alright, so if you want to insert multiple records, let me see, more than just one, you say the same process: insert into student You call the columns, then you call values rather, then you call all the values you want to insert and separate each and every one of them using a comma. So let me say, for instance, I want to add Bob Johnson, age of 35, and let's say his email address is Bob Johnson at gmail.com. So you use a comma to separate this particular value from the next value. So let's say the next value is Charlie Brown. His age is 40. Let's say his email is Charlie Brown at gmail.com. So once you finished all the I'm having a problem here. Once you finish writing all the values you want to add, you close the query and then you run the query from here. So from the status report here, those values have been inserted into the table. If you want to confirm, you can run this query again and you will notice that those additional 2 values have been added to our table in the database. So that's how you get to insert records into a table in MySQL. Thank you for watching.